Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your POCO M5. So here we have it, along with the cable, and we can check it out with this custom smart socket. It will tell us exact statistics when we plug in the charger to it. So now let's connect the charger to the socket and the power source, and then onto our device. So the device should start charging, and now we can move on to the electric tab, and right here in about 30 seconds we should see the stabilized statistics. So right now statistics should be somehow stable, and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.